Commissary USA, on behalf of my past President General, immediate, and past President General, I'm going to give a donation of $1,000.
Godon will win them directly. I think what you've done here is great, and I will replicate it in our own union. On behalf of myself and my family, and also Umukwa, because I represent Umukwa here, I'll give you £500.
Barrister Jeff Mwaf.
Nahamua, my lady, former Mwaf, who is also a lawyer as well, and Nahama Previs, £500 to support him.
Our brother Mr. Oliver Get.
Here, Oliver, Engineer Oliver Get. I'm going on £500.
Our brother Chief Ogon and Buku, I'm another £500. So you're getting here. Colani Aka. Barrister Tony Dike.
Moi, the immediate past chairman of the APU, and we have done quite a lot. I have made a lot to project this APU. And I support everything with £500. Thank you.
Our brother Batram Aseka.
Endu Mwashika need support here make the car. When I'm winning, no more. I'm a year, I'm over £200.
Yeah, one is in Belgium.
Yeah, what now weekend? In fact, I've been Amazon now, and I put out a couple of Amazon by God's grace. I'm a young, it's about £500.
Our brother Mgabo, I will see you for 30th of September at Mrs. Chikod Ndugu.
Praise the Lord. So now, Moan and my family, I get them over £200.
London, Amos. I got a way about now. Money is in long. Out of my support to he had to get time with £1,000.
Actually, one the former Ogoronda.
I'm so happy because last December party so so I want to need but I'm so glad now I'm back. We are here now. On behalf of myself, my husband who in Anambra State, and my children, I will give £500.
Our sister Stella Ogoronda.
Yes, all the guy got you see why I got just all your bike.
Of course. I don't know happy if you are in here that was at the time because what they didn't have that was. Yes. Without people were this week. I'm going to take £600.
Actually, our brother Chief Felix Onyemeke. Chief, I'm on you.
So, iji kwado nwanne m nwoke Reverend Uma Emmanuel, ana m etinye atụkwasị 500 naira, 500 pounds.
It is our honor, a special honor. You will this mic near our dear patron, our father, our great father, dear patron, great supporter, our father, Chief Charles Amadi.
I will be retired somebody for more than 16 years or 17 years now. I'm going here on behalf of my family, 100 pounds.
Mr. Ijoma Amadi.
I'm asking you 500 pounds.
I'm not the one I want, Felicia Wigwe.
On behalf of my family, 100 pounds.
On behalf of my family, I will 500 pounds.
Our brother Uchenna Iwago, on behalf of his family, they now 500 pounds. I hope you are enjoying this community. I hope you are enjoying this community. So we will come and talk here. Okay.
My name is Nathaniel Ihanacho. I'm supporting this occasion with 40 pounds.
I'm Isaac Iwago. I'm secretary of this organization. I'm a sum of 200 pounds to support the occasion.
So at the end of the day, we still stay up. I want some of 50 pounds. Only on Mango will bring out all these and fire. If I got all these on our so they will take 500 pounds to grind.